Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to add your Google Map locations on your Instagram profile. So the first thing you have to do, open your Google Map application, and then you just need to find the locations that you want to add into your account. And after you found it, you just need to copy the link by click this symbols and you will be generated into the share option, and just copy the link. And after you copy the link, now you just need to back into your Instagram account, and you can see there will be like 5 sections down here. You just need to visit your profile and go click edit profile. And in this edit profile, you can see that one of them called links right here, and then you just need to go click it to add the links. Go click this add external link button, and you just need to paste the link right here. And you can also add a title. You can just type a location, and after you done, go click done, and Instagram will generate the link on your profile. And whenever you click it, the profile will be generated you into the Google Map. So that's the way, guys, how to add the locations on Instagram. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next video.